Hey, what's up guys? So this is a W204 2010 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. I guess it doesn't really matter, but I was getting an error on the dashboard saying check brake pads or something like that. I looked on the outside without the tire being off and I'm like, man, my brake pads look fine. I don't know why it's throwing me that error. So I went and bought new brakes and everything, thinking that, you know, I should probably change my brakes and rotors. So I took the wheel off. This is the passenger side, by the way, and as you can see, I've already started on this, and I got into the middle of it and I realized that I probably should have made a video of this, but I didn't get too far. Anyways, here is the wire for the brake pad sensors. I don't know if there's one on the other side. I think there's only one, but I'm not really sure. So this is the wire for the sensor. As you can see here, here's the sensor. It goes into the brake pad and then it comes out and then it ties into this. As you can see here, I've already cut these apart. The reason of that is because it was rubbing against something, I don't know, maybe here, and it made the wire like burn all the way to the inside. So me being cheap, it looks like a pain in the ass to change the whole harness and the wire and all that, because it goes into here, you know, all the way into the car somewhere. I don't know. I figured I could just cut these apart and kind of like use a butt connector or heat shrink or whatever to tie it together, and that's probably what my issue was with the with that error message I was getting on a dashboard. So I already cut this apart. I did take a picture of the wire when it was burnt, so I'll try to put a still shot in there if I can remember, so you guys can see it. And I cut it apart, and I'm gonna connect these together and see if that error message goes away, because my brake pads, as you can see here, let me get some light on this real quick. If you can see that, my brake pads aren't bad at all. So I'm thinking that's what the problem was, but we'll see. I'm gonna connect these together, then I'll get back to you guys, let you know. All right, real quick guys, before I connect those wires together, I wanted to show you that error message I was getting. There it is. It says check brake pad wear. Just wanted to show you guys that before I connected the wires, and then after I connect them together, we'll see if it goes away. All right guys, so I got these connected. Just to be on the same page here, this is not supposed to look like this. From the factory, before I did all this, it's supposed to look just like this. I mean, just imagine it like looking like this without this here. So it's supposed to be one straight wire here, and then it goes into your sensor, and you know, your sensors do its job. It goes back into the car and tells the car that, hey, the sensors are good or whatever. So like I said, from that earlier picture I showed you, it was burnt, so I had to cut this apart, strip this back a little bit on both sides, and all I did was I used like 2 butt connectors to tie the whites to the white and the black to the black, and then I just crimped it down. I have all these tools just because I do HVAC for a living, so I'm not an auto mechanic, guys. I troubleshoot for a living. So I opened this up thinking I was gonna change my rotors and brake pads and sensor and stuff, but I looked around and I saw that the wire was burnt, so I just, you know, connected these together, and the message did go away. I'm no longer getting a brake pad wear sensor or error message or whatever it showed. I mean, this looks ghetto as hell. If you're super OCD and you want everything to look factory and all that stuff, I mean, I'm pretty sure Mercedes sell this wire, or you could probably find it online somewhere. I don't know. I didn't feel like going through all the trouble to, you know, take all this part out and try to find out where it connects to. So I figured I'd just do it this way. I didn't have any heat shrink, or else I would have used that, but I figured this would be okay. I'm gonna use some electrical tape and tape the hell out of this thing, just so water doesn't get into it. We'll see how it works throughout the year, I guess. But I mean, the error message did go away. I'm pretty happy about that. So I just saved me 188 bucks. I'm gonna return the new rotors, the brakes, and the sensor, get my money back, since I didn't really need to change it anyways. I don't really drive this car much. Just sits in my driveway. So I think that's it, guys. I really hope this helped somebody, kind of saved you some money. If you don't feel comfortable, you know, doing this stuff, do not do it. I work with my hands, so I figured I'd be okay doing this stuff. But like I said, I'm not an auto mechanic. I just do minor stuff like this to my car. I mean, it helps save some money. So Hope I can save you guys some money. Also wanted to add that I did lower my car. That probably had something to do with this wire rubbing against something that I wasn't aware of. Maybe you're not having the same issue. I'm just throwing it out there, guys. Just telling you guys what I saw. I'm gonna tape this up, button everything back up, and put my car back down. I'm glad the message went away, so I really hope this helped somebody. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Hope it helped, and catch you guys next time.